Hello students, did you study your first grammar lesson, the dictionary? I hope you all might have also done the homeworks. Okay, now coming back to the second lesson, the sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that should be arranged in correct order. Then only it will be meaningful one. Okay, you already know that, isn't it? When you write a sentence, there are some basic things that should be there. What is that? The starting should be capital letter. After a sentence, you have to put a full stop. So, sentence is basically arranging words in correct order so that it will be a meaningful one. So, let us see one example. I apple eat. When you see this sentence, see I apple eat. Do you find there is any sense in this structure? No, isn't it? This is not at all meaningful. Then how will you arrange that? How will you arrange it? Just see I eat apple. Okay. After a sentence, you have to put a full stop and the starting of that sentence should be also in capital letter. So, whenever you write a sentence, remember it should start with a capital letter and it should have a full stop at the end. This is a basic structure of a sentence. Now, coming back to different kinds of sentences. Before that, there are some exercises in your textbook. Please see that, page number 6. Exercise A. Rewrite the words in proper order and make complete sense. Put capital letters and full stop where required. Example is already given. See, garden rose is this. This is a rose garden. Okay. Then, first exercise. Handwriting very Meena's is good. How will you write? Meena's handwriting is very good. Okay. Then Shruti and are Tia sisters. How will you write? Tia and Shruti are sisters. And after writing a sentence, in both example, first one and second one, you need to put a full stop. Okay. Now, some more exercises are there. See, read the following group of words. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 you have to try by yourself. Okay children, now coming to the second one. Read the following group of words. In the garden was reading my father. These group of sentences does not make a complete sense, is it? So, we can turn them into sentences by adding few words. Similarly, use these group of words to make meaningful sentence. In the school, from the morning, how are, to the market, very happy, what is, my friend said to me, reaches on time, plays with. Using these group of words and make meaningful sentences that you have to write it in your grammar notebook. Okay, this is a homework. Then, how will you write that? In the school. How will you write in the school? How will you write in the school? Just try. I'll give you one example. We enjoy our time in the school. Or I found my old friend in the school. Then very happy. I am very happy to see you after a long time. So very happy in the school, then said to me. My friend said to me to lend a pen or give a pen. My friend said to me, don't talk in the class. So, similarly, you can use these words to write sentences. Now, exercise C. Rewrite the following passage using capital letters and full stop where necessary. So, here what you have to do, capital letters and full stop you have to put. Fables are short stories that have moral or message for us, something to learn, and keep it in mind as we grow up. Most of the fables have animal characters. So, see the passage is all written without any punctuation. There is no capital letter, there is no full stop. So, how you have to write? The starting should be capital letter, fables, F should be capital letter. So, similarly the passage also you have to punctuate using capital letters and stop a sentence when it ends. Put a full stop. How you stop a sentence? You have to put a full stop after writing a sentence. Okay children, now please turn page and take page number 8. Now we are going to study about different kinds of sentences. Okay, so we already studied sentence is a group of words which should be arranged in correct order so that it seems to be a meaningful one. Okay, then we also studied how to punctuate a sentence. The starting should be capital letter and the ending should be there should be a full stop at the end. These are the basic things that we studied. Now coming back to different kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences in English language. Which are they? Assertive or declarative, then imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. These are the 4 types of sentences in English language. Once again I will tell you: assertive or declarative, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. These are the 4 types of sentences in English language. Now let us see that in detail. First one, assertive, otherwise called as declarative. What is assertive? Otherwise called as declarative sentence. Let's see what is that. Okay, first one, assertive or declarative means just like the word how it said, assertive, declarative. Declarative sentence means it just says, it's a casual sentence which say about something. Okay, for example, I love to go to school. That is a casual sentence, normal sentence, a sentence which says something. Okay, which says something is called a declarative sentence or assertive sentences. Okay, now you can see the textbook. Kunal is an intelligent boy. Farah loves to eat ice cream. These sentences say about something. These sentences say about something just like a casual way, in a casual way. So, these type of sentences are called as assertive or declarative sentences. And in the textbook, again some examples are given. Ashoka was a great ruler. Sachin is a good batsman. So, all these type of sentences that say something is called assertive or declarative sentences. And similarly, just like a normal sentence, it also has a full stop at the end. Now, next one, imperative sentences. What is imperative sentences? Let's see that. Second one. Imperative sentences. What is imperatives? Imperatives means commands and request, commanding something, just like don't talk in the class, keep quiet. Then requesting something is also imperatives, just like please keep quiet, please stand in a queue, please use a mask when you travel. It is happening nowadays, is it? So, imperative means it is commands or request. Now see the example in the textbook. Don't talk in class. These imperatives we are using, isn't it? We are using in the class. Teachers use don't talk in the class. Then please open the door. Somebody is requesting you. Okay. Then take the medicines regularly. That is advising. Okay. You should write neatly. You should be punctual. All these are advices. So that is also imperative. See, in the textbook it is clearly indicated. An imperative sentence is that which expresses a command, a request or an advice. Now, some more example is given here. See, go out of the class. That is a command. Please pass me the sugar. That is advice. You should eat healthy food to stay healthy. That is advice. So, which all sentences we studied? We studied first one is assertive or declarative. Second one is imperative sentences. What do you mean by assertive or declarative sentence? Assertive or declarative sentences means it says about something and casually you say something that is assertive or declarative. And imperative means commanding something, requesting something, advising something. So all these are called as imperative sentences. Now the next one is interrogative sentence. Interrogations. Interrogative means asking questions. Let's see that. Okay, interrogative means asking questions. Just like what is your name, where is your house, what are you doing right now, are you studying English grammar? So all these are interrogatives. That means asking questions. See the example given in the textbook. What are you doing here? Have you finished your breakfast? These sentences ask questions, and these sentences which ask questions are called as interrogative sentences. And some more example is also given in the textbook. Did you finish your homework? Then, when will you go to the market? All these are questions. So, that is interrogative sentences. Now, the next one is exclamatory sentence. Fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory? The name itself, you get the answer, exclamation. Exclamatory sentences means a sentence which expresses strong emotions. Okay, wow, what a beautiful day. Ouch, I hurt my leg. Hooray, we won the match. All these are exclamatory sentences. See the example given in the textbook. How nice of you to have come. So always remember, after writing exclamatory sentence, you have to put something called exclamation mark. Okay, exclamation mark, I hope you know, one line with one dot under, that is exclamation mark. Okay, see, how nice of you to have come. What a beautiful baby she is. So after each sentence, you just see the textbook, there is exclamation mark. Then all these sentences express strong feelings and emotions, and these type of sentences are called as exclamatory sentence. See, in the textbook it is given. Sentences which express some strong feelings are called exclamatory. Some more examples of exclamatory sentences are given below. How exciting the trip was. After that, you see exclamation mark is there. It is a sentence which expresses strong emotions. Then what an interesting match it was. That is also exclamatory sentence. Okay. Now turn the page number 10. Identify the following sentences as assertive, imperative, interrogative or exclamatory. You have 9 questions in section D, and see the first one, I will help you. Napoleon was a great leader. What type of sentence is that? Napoleon was a great leader. What type of sentence is that? Just guess out. What type of sentence is that? Napoleon was a great leader. It's saying something. Casually, it's a declaration. It is saying something. So that is, yes, that is assertive or declarative sentences. Okay. Now the second one, see, I love reading storybooks. Similarly, the same way how we did the previous one. What sentence is that? I love reading storybooks. That is saying something very casually. So that is what? Assertive or declarative sentences. Why are you sad? Why are you sad? After that there is a question. So what type of sentence is that? That is interrogative sentence. Okay, so similarly you have to do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 by yourself. Okay, so before doing all these things, just keep it in your mind. Keep on revising what is assertive, what is declarative, assertive or declarative, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory, what type of sentence is that? That you have to keep it in your mind. Okay, then keep on revising the topics and you will get the answers, I am sure. Okay, now exercise E. Rearrange the words to make sentences as directed. Begin each sentence with a capital letter and use proper punctuation marks at the end. The first word of each sentence is bold. It's very easy. See, exercise E, the bold in black color, it is given that black color word is the starting of that sentence. So it's very easy for you. You have to make it capital letter in the starting. See how. The dress was how gorgeous. How will you write that? How gorgeous the dress was. In the bracket also it is stated exclamatory. So what you have to do? How gorgeous the dress was. Then put exclamation mark. Okay, so this is how we can do exercise E also. Question number 1 to 9. First one I already said. Now second to 9 you have to write by yourself. Okay. So before ending the lesson, let's see how many types of sentences are there. There are mainly 4 types of sentences. First one is assertive or declarative. Second one is imperative, and third one interrogative. Fourth one is exclamatory sentences. Assertive or declarative is just a casual sentence which say about something. Then imperative sentences means commands, request, then advice, all these are imperatives. Then interrogative means asking questions, that is interrogative, and exclamatory means a sentence which show emotions, sudden feelings. Always the ending part of this exclamatory sentences you can see one exclamation mark. Hope you all understood the topic. See you in the next class. Goodbye.